2006 Chrysler Pacifica. This one has the 3.5 liter. We're gonna reset the maintenance light or service light. And this is how we need to do it. We're gonna look for this button that says menu, and then we're gonna click it until this shows up, this reset maintenance service distance, and we're gonna click on step once where it says yes, and then we're gonna click reset once, and that should be it. And if we go back to where it was, right there, we turn the key off and start the vehicle, and you'll see that your service light, the message is not showing up anymore. Okay, that's it.